guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about two amazing face cream. So these two face creams have rice as the main ingredient and they both work miraculously well onto your skin. The first one is this potato rice cream. It has the goodness of potato, rice and other some amazing ingredients which treat your dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne scars and suntan problem. And the second cream is this beautiful rice cream. This rice face cream is really effective in skin brightening, skin whitening, skin lightening, skin tightening and has amazing anti-aging properties into it. So now without further ado, firstly let's see how to prepare this homemade potato rice cream which can remove your dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars problem. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need rice flour, and here I'm taking approx half a teaspoon of rice flour into a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need potato juice, and if you want to know how to make potato juice at home, then you can just click on that I button. It will take you to the video which shows how to make potato juice at home. And here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of potato juice into it. And now after adding the potato juice, you just have to mix both these ingredients really well so that they both makes a smooth paste and they do not have any lumps into it. Now next up you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Now after adding the glycerin, now it's the time to add the last ingredient which is the aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. Now after adding the aloe vera gel, you just have to mix everything really well so that they all mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth consistency cream. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade potato and rice cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream is really effective in treating dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation as well as acne scars from your skin. This is an anti-aging cream which has amazing skin lightening and skin brightening properties into it. This cream will remove all the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin from your skin and will make your skin really brighter, tighter, lighter and will give you amazing anti-aging benefits. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and not so runny, and it should be so much creamy and glossy as I'm showing you in the video. Now the procedure to store this cream is supremely easy. You can store this cream in any airtight container for up to 15 to 20 days. And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. So try to make a small batch of this cream so that it can last up to 15 to 20 days only. And now let's see how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. You just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and then just gently apply it onto your skin and massage it thoroughly onto your skin so that this cream goes deeply into your skin and can work from within. And for the best results, you have to use this cream every night before going to bed because it works really well if you use it as a night cream. Now let's move on to the second cream, which is the skin brightening and anti-aging rice cream. And to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need rice flour. And here I'm taking approx 1/4 teaspoon of rice flour into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water. And here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that it makes into a smooth paste. After that, you're gonna need glycerin. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, or if you don't have this oil, then you can even use the capsules. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the capsules, then use 2 vitamin E capsules. And after adding this oil, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing it well, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients again so that they makes into a smooth, creamy and a fluffy cream. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade rice cream is ready and it will look something like this. This cream should be supremely fluffy, creamy, smooth and shiny as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream. So you can store this cream in any airtight container, and here I'm using this small airtight glass jar and I'm just transferring this cream into this small jar, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 1 month. So this rice cream is perfect for all skin types. It hydrates your skin from within and moisturizes it deeply. It helps you in treating all types of dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation as well as in removing all the pimples and the acne scars from your skin. This cream will also help you in removing the suntan and the uneven skin tone from your skin and makes your skin really clear, spotless and glowing. This cream has amazing anti-aging properties into it because of the rice and the glycerin. Rice is an excellent ingredient for your skin. It helps in skin brightening, skin lightening, as well as in making your skin supremely clear and anti-aging. This cream can fade away all your wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin and makes your skin really ageless, flawless and completely acne or pimple free. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just take a little amount of this cream and apply it nicely onto your skin. Just massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you really glowing look. And after massaging it for a few minutes, just leave it like that overnight, and for the best results you can use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.